Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
So today we're making Marry Me chicken. So I've already put some olive oil and some black pepper and Himalayan salt and a little smoked paprika on this. I'm just massaging the breast before it goes in the skillet. And then I'm going to put some flour. We're going to dredge it. And the same seasoning I used on here, just some Himalayan salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika is what I'm also going to put in the flour. Here's our chicken. We're going to coat it, lightly dust it. And I had put a little oil on it just so it could adhere, because I wasn't going to put mustard to make it adhere. Okay. Okay. You don't want to crowd your pan, so I'll probably put like 5 pieces in there. Dust off your chicken before you put it in your pan, but get it coated as much as possible, even through the crevices. And make sure when you're done with your flour, you throw it out. Don't save flour that you are cooking chicken in. And if you need more flour, add more flour with the same seasoning: salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, or whatever seasonings that you prefer to add to it. However you prefer to season your chicken. I just want a little bit more simpler. Okay, so
This is what our beautiful chicken looks like. I'm getting ready to remove that. And this oil that's left in the pan is what we're going to cook our onions and garlic with. And we're going to put it back nestled in once we kind of have everything going. We still have some more chicken to put in to cook. So, still have to add some more chicken. Again, we just kind of gently dredged it.
shredding my Parmesan Reggiano. And it's catching in here, so you can see. And I'm going to continue shredding it. And I think my chicken should be good. Okay. So I'm just removing them, and we're going to keep the flour that's on the bottom of the pan just as our little roux, so we can start to make our cream base. Okay, so now I've added my butter to go with the leftover chicken drippings that was here, like the fond. So we'll make a cream sauce out of that. Gonna add some garlic to it. We add a little bit of some onion powder in here. A little bit of garlic powder. And though I have fresh garlic as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add my red crushed peppers here. My thyme, my paprika. Okay. I'm going to add my sun-dried tomatoes with the oil in here. Very fragrant. I just added a little bit of Better Than Bouillon roasted garlic base here. A little oregano in here as well. And I'm going to add a little bit of flour. A little more flour rather. And let it cook out. Okay. Get this to cook out. Let me put some broth in here. And I'm going to return my chicken back in here with some heavy cream. All right, so I'm going to add our heavy cream in here now. And then I'm going to put our meat back in. So I'm going to put our meat back in. Let me add our parmesan to here. And that's that. And let me put our chicken back in so it could be nestled and cooked. Nestling it back in. And this wonderful sauce, cream sauce. So Gio's our great resident taste tester, and he's about to taste Marry Me chicken. Have you had it before? Okay.
Well, I don't want to marry anyone, so that's good. But it has a very unique taste to it with the pasta and chicken. I never, not really had these flavors together before, so it comes together to form something really good.
I paired it with rotini, tricolor rotini, but you can pair with any pasta that you want. Even some mashed potatoes if that's what you wanted. I mean, I love the fact that it's lightly fried, you know, and then it's braised like in a cream sauce with the sun-dried tomatoes, the bursting color of it of red, and the delicious chewiness of the sun-dried tomato, the fresh basil in it.
The chicken too, not dry, has lots of flavor too.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you guys want to propose to someone, you want to try out Marry Me Chicken and see if they'll say yes, do so. But for now, I'm just going to enjoy it and marry myself. How about that? So guys, I will see you in my next video. And don't forget, be good to yourself.